Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to another video of our channel Spread Knowledge. In this video I'll be talking about the difference between accent and pronunciation. What is the basic concept of the difference between accent and pronunciation? It is a misunderstanding that accent and pronunciation both are the same terms, rather they have different meanings and different concepts. So after watching this video you will be able to distinguish between accent and pronunciation. So first of all, I've got the definition of accent. Accent is a distinct way of pronouncing a language. And then pronunciation. What is pronunciation? It is a way of uttering certain word. Like example, it is example in American accent, in example in British accent. So what is the concept of the difference between these two words lies here. Accent, like natives, is very difficult to produce, but the pronunciation of a certain word might be the same as spoken by the native speaker. So I might give you an example. I'm not a native speaker of English, I'm speaking English. My accent might not be the same as spoken by the native speaker of a British country or American or some other Australian country, but my pronunciation of certain words can be exact, like exactly British or exactly American. Like this is a word example. I speak it is example. It is the British pronunciation of this word. So you can see that my pronunciation is exact the same, but all over my language, my speech, what I'm speaking here might not correlate with the or might not be the same or with that of a native speaker. So this was all about the difference between accent and pronunciation. So if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and thanks.